Oh! That tickles. Can it go through your shirt? Ah! It does. Kinda want to put my toe on it. Ah! Ah!
You know I'm recording, right?
Ah!
I don't want them to be scared.
No, they're not gonna be scared. I can make them run with my mind. Can I throw it at your feet? Yo, I made a spear once out of wood, out of a stick, and it went through Kylie's boot. Her pink boot. Hard to throw this. In the wild Africa of Zimbabwe. Katie, you are videoing. You gotta